Module 6, Inspiring a Shared Vision. The key to true leadership is to inspire a shared vision among your followers. Before you can convey a vision, however, you have to develop it. You must be clear in your vision, live it before others can see it, and model it from your behavior. Choosing your vision. Topic objective. To discuss choosing your vision. What do you want to accomplish, and what do you need to do to get there? Determine attainable goals and focus on them. King Arthur sought the Holy Grail. Lewis and Clark mapped much of the United States. NASA took us to the moon. What is your vision? Your vision will provide a sense of direction for you and your followers. In the military, focus is on the mission. Whatever the mission is, everyone is dedicated to it. Let your vision be like a lighthouse on a hill, guiding ships to safety and warning them away from the rocks. Topic summary. This part asks participants to consider what their vision is. Stories to share. When I dare to be powerful, to use my strength in the service of my vision, then it becomes less and less important whether I am afraid. Audre Lorde. Communicating your vision. Topic objective. To discuss how you will communicate your vision. Communication is more than just the words you say or the memos you write. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Take every opportunity to communicate your vision in words and deeds. One of the best ways to communicate a vision is to sum it up in a simple catchphrase. Post your slogan, catchphrase and mission statement in prominent locations. When you send out emails, list it in quotes below your signature block. Hold meetings occasionally or hand out visionary awards to people who exemplify your vision. Above all, lead by example. Topic summary. This part asks participants to create ways they can share their vision with the rest of the world. Stories to share. The most pathetic person in the world is someone who has sight but no vision. Helen Keller. Identifying the benefit for others. Topic objective. To explore ways to communicate your vision. Answer the question, what's in it for me, as if you were one of your own employees. The answer might not always be obvious. Certainly, performance bonuses and awards work, but most employees enjoy being part of a larger, successful organization. Everyone loves a winner. When the home team wins at the stadium, you would think the fans in the stand were the players by the way they share in the victory and excitement. We are social creatures who like to feel like we belong. We crave acceptance. If you can get your employees to accept your vision as their own, and excite them about being part of it, they will often excel beyond what you or they thought possible. Be sure to reward loyalty and performance above and beyond the call of duty. Topic summary. Use the situational leadership model to convey your vision. I suppose leadership at one time meant muscles, but today it means getting along with people. Mohandas K. Gandhi.